Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite collaborators to your account and your workspace on Base44, for example, to work with you on specific app projects. So what you want to do, guys, is here on Base44 is navigate to your workspace. First, here on the home screen, select the workspace from that list. And then what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your apps here on the left hand side and select the app you would like to go with. So if you have created an app, click into it. That is going to redirect you to the given app here. You will see the commands you have given the artificial intelligence here to create the app for you. But you can also invite co-editors to work with you on the app. To do that, click into this button in the top right, Add Collaborator, and then enter the collaborator's email address here and press this button to send the invitation. And you will then see the app collaborators listed below. They will be given access to edit the given app and work with you on it. So guys, that's basically it. Let me just return to the preview here of the app. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.